Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shift knob cover for your car. My shift knob gets so hot in the summer and it's metal, so it makes it even worse. And I was like, I need a shift knob cover, but I couldn't find a tutorial on how to crochet one. So I kind of just freestyled and I ended up with this. It was super easy to make, super simple. So I'm going to show you guys how I made it. So we're going to start with the magic ring. I know a lot of people don't like doing these. I'm going to do my best to explain it. If you still don't quite get it, I'm sure there's other videos that really go into detail on how to do it. So I hold the tail with this hand, and then I put it over two fingers like this, wrap it on the underside of my fingers, and I make an X at the top, like this. And then with my hook, I go under the first one, I grab that second one there, I twist it, and then going on top, I grab that same yarn, so the one that's connected to the yarn ball, and then just pull it through. So when you take your fingers out, you should have a ring. So if you need to tighten it, you pull the yarn that's attached to the yarn ball, and that's how you tighten it. We're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to do 9 double crochets into the magic circle. So to do a double crochet, you yarn over into the loop, pull it out, you go through the first 2 and then the second 2. So one more time, you yarn over into the circle, pull the yarn out, go through the first 2 and then the second 2. So that's 2. So make sure you do 9. So once you're done those, you should have 10 total. So the first chain 3 that we did, and then the 9 double crochets we did after that, we are going to close the magic ring. So we're just going to pull on the tail, pull it nice and tight. And before I fully close it, I'm just going to close this off. So we're going to go into the third chain that we made. So 1, 2, 3. And we are going to slip stitch. So we're going to grab it, pull it through the first one, and then pull it through the second one. So once you've done this, I'm going to go ahead and close the magic ring fully. So just pull it nice and tight. And you should have your ring that looks like this. So once you have this, you're going to chain 2. And we are going to do half double crochets into the back loops only. So the back loops are going to be the ones on the outside. So we have, this is the back loop, this is the inner loop. So it's all the ones on the edges. So to do the half double crochet, we're going to yarn over, go into the back loop. You're going to pull the yarn through, and this time when you yarn over, you're just going to pull through all 3. So there's 1 half double crochet. So now going into the next back loop, we're going to do the same thing. You yarn over and you pull through all 3. So just continue this all the way around. So when you're doing these, you're going to notice that it's going to start to cup like this. And that's what we want, so don't worry about it kind of folding in. And then once you do that last one, you're going to go into the second chain and slip stitch again. So remember, you pull through there like this. And I'm going to have mine cup the other way. So right now it's folded this way. I'm actually going to turn it inside out, just so that this way the tail end, you can kind of just tuck it in and you don't have to weave it in or anything. I'm just going to cut it and tuck it in. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is the top part. It's going to fit perfectly right at the top. And from here on, it's really simple. We're just going to do half double crochets until we reach the length of the shift knob. So remember to chain 2, before each round. And then remember, for the half double crochet, you yarn over and make sure you go through both loops, not just the back loop anymore. Pull it out and pull it through all three. So yarn over, go through both loops, pull it out, and pull it through all three. So once you do that last one, remember to slip stitch into the second chain that we did. So 1, 2, perfect. And then remember to chain 2, and then just continue this until you reach the length of your shift knob. So once you do your last one, go ahead and slip stitch into that second chain. Pull it nice and tight. I'm going to chain 1 to secure it. And then go ahead and cut it. I'm going to pull this nice and tight. And here we have our shift knob. So this one, I'm gonna weave it in, so I'm gonna go do that. So this is what our shift knob cover looks like. You honestly don't even need to weave the tail in, you can literally just tuck it in. So now that it's done, let's go try it on. So my car is currently in winter storage. It might be a little dark inside. I already took the cover off, so let's go and try it on. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I am going to make more for different shaped shift knobs as well, so I'm going to do one of the circle ones next. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss that, and I will see you guys in the next video.